Today is Thursday, May 1st. Hi, honey. Hi, Jack. And Jack has just started to crawl. So let's see this. All right. Okay. Hi, honey. Here's the ball. Here you go. Okay. Now come and get it. Come and get it. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Oh. You got it, honey. Yay, Jack. Come on, come and get it. Come and get it. Jack, what's this? Here's the ball. Bounce. Bounce. Come and get it. You can do it. You got it. Almost. Come on. You can do it. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Yay, honey, you got it. Yay, Jack. You got it. Honey, now you just have to practice. Yay! Okay, honey. Hi, Jack. Hi. Oh, yeah, are you going to get it? Look at how far that is. Are you going to try? Oh, here comes Zoe. Hi, Zoe. Hi, Jack. Jack, are you petting Zoe, honey? Gently, remember? Gently. Yes. Very good. Hi, Zoe. Hi, Jack. Hi, Jack. Go down. Lay down. Good girl. Good girl. Lay down. Good kisses. Yeah. Gently. Right? We pet Zoe gently. We sure do. Yes. Gently, love. Go get it. Go get that ball. You can do it. You can get anything you want now, honey. Yay! Yay! Hey, Zoe. Which toy do you want? Yay, Jack! Honey, today you are 8 months old and you're crawling. How exciting. How exciting. How exciting. Are you excited? Hi. Oh, yeah? Hi, Zoe. What are you thinking about, Jack? Oh, honey, I love you. You can do it. Yep, that's it. That's it. Oh yeah, you're looking at the dirt on the carpet. Nice. Roar. Oh yeah. Okay, love.